Hello friends, in today's session we will learn two drug dictionary B3 format and C3 formats. Differences between B3 and C3. How to code using B3 or C3 in Argus. Impact in Argus when switching from B3 to C3. The B formats contains information about trade names, ingredients and ATC classifications. The unique key is the alphanumeric drug code. The C formats contains all the B format information, including the drug code, but has additional information regarding the countries in which the product is marketed. Marketing authorization holders, pharmaceutical forms and strengths. The unique key is the alphanumeric medicinal product ID. Here is an example of one record in B format having multiple matching records in C format due to additional information. Only one dictionary can be used for encoding drugs in Argus as configured in console. Who B3 coding browser in Argus. Who C3 coding browser in Argus. Who drug code and medicinal product ID, MPID, capture in Argus when C3 format is used. For company drugs, drug code is populated as configured in console as shown in the product configuration screen. Impact in Argus when switching from B3 to C3. WHO UMC does not provide official mapping from B format to C format. When a company switches from B3 to C3, any new drug encoded using C3 would populate both drug code and MPID in Argus. There is no impact for legacy cases, reporting rules, configurations etc. Existing cases would retain the data as it is. There is no concept of WHO recoding, like MEDRA recoding, since WHO UMC does not provide official mapping from B to C. To recode the drugs manually in existing cases using C3 format. For company drugs, go to Console Business Configuration Products and reselect the drug code using Select button and save the changes. Then open the existing case and reselect the same company drug. The medicinal product ID is populated. For non-company drugs, manually reselect the drug from WHO browser displaying drug details from C3 format. MFDS E2BR3 regulation mandates encoding drugs with C3 format. MFDS, the South Korean Health Authority, published guidelines for E2BR3 reporting. It is mandated to submit ICSRs in E2BR3 format starting January 1, 2021. As per the implementation guide, only WHO Global C3 coding is accepted while submitting foreign ICSRs to MFDS. As per our discussion with customers, the majority are using B3 but are considering switching to C3 to be compliant with South Korea reporting. Argus 8.2.2 will be compliant with South Korea MFDS regulations, and has out-of-the-box mapping logic that uses B3 data and automatically populates C3 data in MFDS E2BR3. This mapping is designed in discussion with WHO UMC to fetch the match from C3 where country equals unspecified, MAH equals unspecified, formulation equals unspecified, strength equals unspecified. This is to facilitate customers to continue to use B3. To enable this, C3 has to be loaded into Argus, and it will not impact case processing using B3. Details are explained in MFDS Best Practices document, part of Argus 8.2.2 release. Thank you for watching. Please do take good care of yourself and your family.